I'm British.
Yo, this is my bike check. Bobby BMX for Life McCarthy.
The flat.
I got Sunday bars, Triumph, I think. The Colt Vans grips, Snafu barns, premium sub 10 stem, the Fit Wi-Fi frame, the Colt Sect V2 forks, the Animal GLH tire with the G-Sport gland hub guard and the Shadow little one pegs, front and back, G-Sport ratchet hub guard with the G-Sport ratchet hub, the G-Sport bird in the roll cage rim, the Animal GLH tire again, their premium 1948 cranks, the horrible ass premium pedals, FSA headset, the Shadow crow seat, ripped, the premium seat post, I don't know what it is, the band Sprocket with the Shadow interlock chain, and here's the hub. That's it.